Well, she got that one twice right there. So
Yeah, it came off. So
yeah, it came off. So we had to put another one.
Had to shoot it.
We had to put the backup in there. Whew, man, let me tell you, that's a good one right there, kid. Good job.
Good one.
That thing longer than you are. Of course, I ain't saying much. That means he's 3 foot and 6 inches long.
I'm gonna slap you with this door.
Don't you slap me with that nasty thing. Look at that nasty thing. Look at them teeth, boy. Woo.
Yeah,
They
they've
rough
already
on-
got me in the ankles.
Let me tell you, they rough on the local wildlife, ain't they, kid? That one right there, though.
Ain't gonna be eating nothing else.
No, he ain't gonna be in Car Gone Wild Part 2. He didn't make it.
Appreciate y'all.
Appreciate y'all.